In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Electrician Simulator on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser and we are going to show you how to download this game without overpaying. So make sure you will stick to the end and then you will be set up within a couple of minutes. So the first step is to locate this game at Steam and then we can continue to another website to download this game. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time on this website because we are not going to buy this game over here. So search for the Electrician Simulator, select the game, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out this game is €17.99 on Steam. So the next step is of course to go to the link in the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game, Electrician Simulator. Search for it, then make sure to select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, this is very important, and then you can select the game. As you can see, this game is already available for just €5.16 compared to the Steam price of €17.99. So this will save you definitely a lot of money while downloading games online. Once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam to activate and download this game through your own Steam account. Hopefully this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!